Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay, today I would like to teach you how the electrolysis, electrolyte and non-electrolyte. Okay, for the first, you must know what is electrolyte and non-electrolyte. Okay, electrolyte is a chemical compound which conduct an electric current in the molten or aqueous solution to undergo chemical changes. For example, from the chemical we change into the electricity. Okay, for non-electrolyte, you must just know that electrolyte cannot conduct an electricity in whether in the solid, molten or aqueous solution, does not any electric current produced. Okay, for the electrolyte have a chemical changes. Okay, for example, aqueous solution such as aqueous solution of ethanoic acid CH3COOH and molten ionic compound with molten silver chloride AgCl. For both of them contain ions which move freely. Okay, for the first, you must know the definition only lah. Okay, we next to our lesson. For our lesson is our how we determine the terminal of the electrolysis. Okay, for the first, you must understand your diagram. If the question give you the diagram like this, you must know the terminal first, the terminal of battery, the terminal of electrode, and then the solution that we use, and then the observation of the buff. Okay, for the first, we must show it. You must know the terminal of battery. Okay, the terminal of battery, can we see show the diagram of battery? This is a positive terminal and negative terminal. Okay, this is the battery, right? Battery. Okay, this is the battery. Have positive terminal and negative terminal. Okay, what is this? This is a Swiss. Alright, good. Okay, this is a mantle or buff. Okay, you all cakap kenapa dia tanya. Memang ada dalam satu soalan tu saya tengok pada soalan SPM dia ada tanya. Dia suruh labelkan setiap semua tu. Jadi we must know, we must learn back that we learn in kemahiran hidup. You must use back. Okay, this is electrode. Okay. The 2 points is which the terminal positive or negative of electrode. You must remind back in electrolysis, if battery positive and negative terminal, the electrolysis of electrode must between. Maksudnya berlawanan terminal. For example, dekat sini terminal positif. Dah sah kalau berlawanan dekat sini mesti negatif. Ingat itu saja, mesti berlawanan. Kalau kat sini positif, mesti kat terminal kat sini negatif. Kalau kat sini negatif, mesti terminal dekat sini adalah positif. Bersamaan kat sini ialah anode, dan sini adalah cathode. Ingat itu saja. Kalau elektrolisis mesti berlainan terminal. Kalau bateri positif mesti kat sini negatif. Kalau bateri kat sini negatif mesti kat sini adalah positif. Itu saja. Okey, dalam solution pula mesti ada free moving ion. Apabila ada free moving ion, okey, ion-ion yang mana yang akan attract pada cathode dan anode? Okey, kalau cathode dah sah kita tahu cation, right? Kalau anode and ion. For example, we have PbBr. Okay, PbBr, Br2. PbBr2, mesti kita tahu yang have ions dalam solution ini have Pb2 plus and Br negative, right? Okay, Br negative. Okay, dah sasar Pb2 plus ion mesti attract pada cathode, dan Br negative ion mesti attract pada anode. Itu sahaja. Yang mesti kita tahu ialah anode adalah receive, bakal cathode adalah release. Itu kena pegang betul-betul. Anode adalah receive, cathode adalah release the electron. Okay, if we get the question that we have to label, we must label with the right words and the right punctual of diagram. Okay, for the next. Okay, for the next is electrolysis. Okay, when we learn electrolysis, we have three factors. For the first is position of ion. Kedua adalah concentration of ions. Lepas tu ketiga adalah type of electron. Okay, position of ion kita kena based on the table of position of ions in the electrochemical series. For the two is the concentration. Okay, the concentration we must based on anode, cathode, anode terminal only. You must see. Okay, and the third is a type of electrode based on the electrode and the electrolyte that we use. Okay, these are three factors that affect of electrochemistry. Okay. Okay, for the factors, for the first is a position of ion. Okay, for the position of ions, we must we must remind back, we must remember the all parts from the helium until silver. Okay, we must know it. The lowest the position of ion in the electrochemical series, the easy to displace. For example, Ag and H+. Which one of the ions that can displace more easier in the electrolyte? Why you say Ag+? Because Ag+ at the lower position in the electrochemical series, so it's easy to the Ag+ to displace with the another metal. So you must remember the table of electrochemical series. Okay, for the next is electroplating. Okay, the question of electroplating is so famous question in SPM. Okay, so that's why I want to teach you the electroplating. For the first, you must know the diagram first. Okay, the diagram. You show the diagram that you see. You must first that I say first is determine the terminal of battery. The two is terminal of electrode. The three, you must know the electrolyte. The four is we determine the reading of ammeter. Okay, and the fourth is we must know which one of the metal is to electroplate or displace. Okay, for the first, for the electroplating, okay, we want to know the determine of the sign of battery. Okay, you just know the long middle for the positive and this part is a negative. Okay, kita tahu dalam electrochemical series mesti berlawanan terminal, right? Okay, jadi iron spoon is a cathode and the copper electrode is a anode. Okay, kita tahu apabila electroplating berlaku dalam solution ini, kita hanya ada Cu2+ dan ion adalah Fe. Antara Fe dengan Cu2+ mana lagi rendah dalam table of electrochemical series? Cepat jawab. Okey, antara Cu dengan Fe yang paling rendah adalah Cu2+. Okey, korang faham tak? Okey, saya kena tunjuk jugalah kan. Okey, Ag+, Hg+, Cu2+, H+, Pb2+, Fe2+. Okey. Okey, kita dalam solution ni kita ada Cu2 plus dengan Fe3 plus. Okey, Cu2 plus dengan Fe3 plus. Tadi saya dah cakap, kalau dalam electrochemical series, dalam table, mesti yang paling senang nak displace or easy to displace is what? Yes, betul. Yang paling rendah sekali. Jadinya, kita fokuskan yang kita gunakan adalah Cu dengan Fe sahaja. Jadi, kita fokuskan mana paling rendah. Yes, betul. Cu2 plus adalah yang paling rendah. Jadinya, Cu2 plus lah yang akan electroplate the iron spoon. Jadinya, Cu2 plus yang berada di electrode akan release or terhakis electrode ini dan dissolve in the solution for the CuSO4 solution. With dissolve in the CuSO4 solution and go to the cathode. At the cathode, the Cu2 plus accept the electron at the cathode and will be stick on the iron spoon. So that's why at the end of the experiment that can we see the iron spoon have a copper liner at the iron spoon. So the process of electroplating occurs in that position, because we want to know is based on the table only, based on the electrochemical series only. You must know the copper electrode will be terhakis, will be thinner and dissolve in the solution, will be sink and dissolve in the solution. And then the Cu2 plus ion will be bind to the iron spoon and receive the electron at the iron spoon and will be stick on the iron spoon. So that can we see the iron spoon have a silver or shiny color, right? At the end of the experiment, you can see the brown or grey color stick on the iron spoon, shown that the copper will be displaced into the iron spoon. So that's why this experiment is very popular. That you can see many question have a electroplating question. Okay, you must know the position first, and then you must know the terminal of cathode. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.